Is your KDK or Panasonic ceiling fan noisy? This video is for you. By default, when you turn on the switch, the fan will turn on speed 2. What you want to do is press maximum speed, 3 or 5 or whatever. And once you put it at maximum speed, observe how fast or slow your ceiling fan is. If maximum speed is still fast, then the motor run capacitor is not at fault, which means something else is causing the buzz. But if your fan is still slow, even after pressing the maximum speed button, then the motor run capacitor has degraded and needs replacement. This makes the motor work harder, produce more vibration, hence causing the buzzing sound. First issue is buzzing sound combined with high speed, high maximum speed. There are other models with more speeds and more capacitors on the circuit board. I'll have to find photos of those and cover it separately.